Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. And we've been talking about this garlic crusher over the last couple of weeks, months and days. If you want to get the garlic crusher, guys, please go to my website chefricardo.co.uk. You can see the garlic crusher where you can buy it. A lot of people asking me a question about the garlic crusher, but I want to just tell them, go straight to my website. Anyway, anyone who purchased already, thank you so much, guys. Please continue to support Chef Ricardo and the team. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more things, and also there's a lot more information about the garlic crusher and my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. I will be back with some new recipes and new ideas. Please check out my cooking show and see the latest video from Chef Ricardo and the team. More information, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your garlic crusher before Christmas. Christmas rush is coming soon. See you next time. Bye bye.